Feeling the heat this summer? That's when you crave something spicy. Today's recipe brings you the perfect combo of spice and tomato, a refreshing bowl. First, let's make the topping. Slice up some juicy tomatoes and fresh shiso leaves. Add mozzarella cheese, a splash of mensuyu, and a bit of whole grain mustard for a little kick. Give it a good mix. Now, for the soup, go tomato style. Mix tomato juice with water and boil your noodles right in that bright red broth. Then stir in the spicy soup base that comes with your noodles. Top it all off with your special summer topping and you're done. Spicy, refreshing, and full of flavor, this is your go-to bowl for hot summer days.